How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 back cover. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover to the chair, then remove the cover. Note the back cover posts and the corresponding clips on the chair. Note the back cover tabs and the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the lower tabs into the slots, align the upper posts and clips, then push firmly on the back cover until the posts snap into place in the clips. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 6 screws and washers to secure the back cover. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.